Tetrapacks, a household name for aseptic cartons, are revolutionizing the way we store liquid food items. But what makes them a smart solution for packaging? Let's dive into the world of Tetrapacks and uncover their features, structure, and the myths surrounding them. Aseptic packaging, like Tetrapacks, must meet certain criteria to ensure the safety and longevity of the products they contain. They must be compatible with the product, maintain physical integrity to ensure containment, withstand sterilization methods, and protect the product from oxygen while retaining its aroma. This meticulous design keeps the contents free from pathogenic microorganisms, or in simpler terms, safe from harmful elements. A Tetrapack is ingeniously constructed with 6 layers, each serving a specific purpose. The outer and inner layers of polyethylene protect against moisture and seal the liquid inside. The paper layer, making up 80% of the packaging, provides stability and a smooth surface for printing. An aluminum foil layer acts as a formidable barrier against light and oxygen, preserving the product's quality without the need for refrigeration or preservatives. Variety is the spice of life, and Tetrapacks come in an array of sizes and shapes to suit different products and consumer preferences. They also feature a range of openings and closures, ensuring that there's a Tetrapack for every need. Let's bust some myths. Contrary to popular belief, Tetrapack milk doesn't require boiling. Thanks to ultra-high temperature, UHT treatment, and sterile packaging, the milk is safe to consume without additional boiling. And while Tetrapacks are indeed recyclable, the recycled material isn't used to make new Tetrapacks but is instead turned into office paper. In conclusion, Tetrapacks are not just the future of packaging, they're the present. Made primarily from renewable paperboard and fully recyclable, they offer convenience, easy opening, and optimal shelf life. Tetrapacks are a testament to smart packaging design, balancing sustainability with consumer needs.